There is a new kind of Upwork success most beginners miss. It's not about being better, it's about being easier to trust. Weird, right? We think money follows skills. On Upwork, money follows proof. Stay with me because in a minute I'll show you the exact first 3 moves that changed everything for me. Sit back, relax, let's dive in. Here is the real reason you're not making money yet. You're trying to sell outcomes without proof, value without clarity, and price without positioning. Let's fix all 3 fast. First, proof beats promises. Early on, I did a $5 task just to win my first review. That tiny job made my profile look alive, and it started a chain that led to a long-term client who paid me over $40,000 across projects. Ask yourself, do you have undeniable social proof on your profile right now? Not generic lines like quality work, but real outcomes. I did this and increased that. It may be increasing page loading, increasing click-through rate, or delivering in 24 hours. If not, your next 2-3 jobs should be laser-focused review getters. Small scope, fast win, clear results, those first 5 stars are your engine. Second, value beats skills. Most freelancers set rates based on what they deserve. Clients buy what reduces their risk. Say less, I can do it. Say more, here is my plan, risk guardrails, and timeline. In my early proposals, I literally wrote my expertise, steps, milestones, and when can we start message. That structure got me hired over people with more years than I. Try this line. Here is my 3 steps plan, the checkpoints where you approve, and what I'll do if something goes wrong. That's the value that leads you to money. Third, positioning beats price. Beginners think I'll go cheap to get work. Staying cheap kills urgency. Start at a sane average rate, then act like a pro. Tight scope, short deadlines, and zero drama. If your profile screams I'll do everything, clients hear I'm not an expert. If you say I solve one problem for one type of client fast, clients think finally. Quick win you can do today. Rewrite your profile headline and first 2 sentences to answer 3 silent client questions. Can you do my specific thing? Have you done it before? How fast can you do it? Later in this video, I'll show you the exact 5-sentence proposal template I use. By the way, I'm new on YouTube, and your support means a lot. If this is helping, subscribe while you watch so I can keep making videos like this. I also made a free guide to grow your freelance income. Grab it in the description. Back to your bottlenecks. Problem 1. No pipeline. If you apply randomly, you will starve randomly. Pick a micro niche for 30 days. For example, Shopify speed fixes, YouTube short scripts, Figma to Webflow. Search only those jobs, save the search, and send 3 tailored proposals daily. You will start seeing patterns. Same problems, same words, same fixes, which makes you faster and more convincing. Problem number 2. Proposals that talk about you, not the job. Here is my 5-sentence template. 1 line mirror of their problem. 1 proof line. 3 steps you will do with a checkpoint or questions. Timeline and a tiny guarantee. Something like if X blocks us, I'll do Y. Lastly, CTA. Can I send a quick loom with the plan? Problem 3. Fear of tiny jobs. Small jobs build big trust fast. I took a $5 task, then a $101, then a $1K site update. Same client, same month. Momentum comes from wins, not wishes. It happens when you deliver once, Then propose the next logical step before they ask. Finish a landing page, pitch analytics steps, and a 14 days optimization. Finish a script, pitch a batch of 5 with a discount if prepaid. This is how 100 jobs turn into 1000 over time. Stop selling potential, start selling proof. Narrow your service, stack fast reviews, use a process-driven pitch, and propose the next steps after delivery. Do this for 30 days and your inbox changes. Want to go deeper? Next, watch Why No One's Hiring You. Fix your Upwork profile. It plugs perfectly into what we covered and helps you fix the spots that scare clients away.